Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we actually have an order that I received from somebody to make some cupcakes. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my strawberry cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. You know it's my favorite, and if you watch my other videos, you know how we do with cream cheese. We love it, but we're gonna add that strawberry with it today. So y'all come with me and let's get started with these ingredients. Today's ingredients, of course, we have the main star, our strawberries. We have our cream cheese, salted butter. We have flour, sugar, vanilla, sour cream, vegetable oil, salt, baking powder, red food coloring, jello, packet eggs. We have already sprayed our cupcake pan with Pam, and we've added our cupcake liners. Our oven is already set to 350 degrees, nice and warm for these babies. So y'all, let's get into our dry ingredients that we'll be placing in our bowl. And let's get to these strawberry cupcakes. So for our dry ingredients, we have about 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour that we're sifting. We're going to take 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to take 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to take about 3/4 of a cups of sugar. I'm going to give that a whisk. Okay, and that is the dry ingredients. So let's move on to our wet ingredients. Moving on to our wet ingredients, we already have 2 eggs that we've whisked together in our bowl. We're going to take 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. We're going to take about 1/2 of a cup of our chopped strawberries. They are already cleaned and washed and cut into little pieces. We're going to take 1 pack of our strawberry jello. And you could either use sour cream or buttermilk. Today we have sour cream, and we're taking about 2/3 of a cup of that. And of course, if you have buttermilk, it's the same measurement, about 2/3 of a cup. And we are going to whisk our wet ingredients together. Oh yeah, don't forget your red food coloring, which you really don't need it because the strawberry jello is red enough. But you can add just a couple drops. We're not making red velvet cake up in here. We're making strawberry. So we want a cute pink. So we're just gonna whisk that together. Okay. Ooh, I can smell that strawberry. It smells wonderful. All right, y'all, if you have that whisk, we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients from earlier. Do about half. Give it a stir. Let's add the rest of it. Just keep on whisking. Chunky up in here. Be better to use a mixer, but we whisking right now. It's okay, whatever you want to do. It's your cupcakes, it's how you want to do it, y'all. Okay, y'all, we added a splash of milk to this to help loosen it up. a little bit because it was a little dry with that sour cream. So I prefer buttermilk. But like I said, it's perfectly fine. It's still gonna taste good, which is what we want. Get into this strawberry, y'all. Get into that strawberry. Woo! So y'all, let's get ready to put her in our cupcake liners and get her in the oven, y'all. Let's go. Also, time to fill our cupcakes with our cupcake mix. And we are using an ice cream scoop to help us get even scoops. Alright, y'all, so this is about how much our batter has made. So any little extra, we'll just fill some of the ones that don't look as full. So just about 4 cupcakes. Mine is 7. And that's okay. Like I said, because the person that ordered only wanted 12. The rest are for me to eat, y'all. So I ain't worried about it. So let's go ahead and get these babies into the oven, 350 degrees, for about 18 to 20 minutes. And we'll be back for our little strawberries. Seen me make my cream cheese frosting before. You know how it goes. We're going to take 1 block of cream cheese, salted butter. Jesus. We're going to take about a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. And we're going to add about half of a bag of powdered sugar. Be careful, they can get messy. Definitely get messy. And that's pretty much it for our cream cheese frosting. If you want to, you can also add strawberries at this point. You could add some strawberry jello, some, what do you call them? Freeze-dried strawberries. It's all up to you, but of course, this is more personalized from a client that just wanted regular cream cheese frosting, and that is okay. Like I say, y'all, it's y'all's cupcakes. Do it how you want to do it. I'm just giving you the basics. So our cream cheese frosting is very easy, very simple. Girl, you can do it. I mean, you can do it. We're gonna let that get finished, and we'll put that in the refrigerator until our cupcakes get done, and we'll be ready to frost, y'all. So our strawberries are done. They look so pretty. Strawberry cupcakes. We're gonna let these cool for about 15, 20, 30 minutes, and we will be back to frost them with our cream cheese frosting, guys. It's starting to smell like strawberries. Alright, y'all, this has been another episode of MK's Kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.